Hey gorgeous! Let's talk about makeup. Getting a flawless makeup look starts with taking care of your skin. Think of it like this. Your skin is the canvas and makeup is the art you create on top. First, you need to cleanse your skin. Use a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt or oil. Next, apply a moisturizer to hydrate your skin and create a smooth base for your makeup. Don't forget sunscreen. It protects your skin from the sun's harmful rays. Sunscreen helps prevent wrinkles and dark spots. Remember, beautiful makeup starts with healthy skin. By taking these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving a flawless makeup look. You go, girl! Finding the right foundation shade is crucial. It can make or break your entire makeup look. The right shade will blend seamlessly, giving you a flawless finish. The goal is to find a foundation that disappears into your skin, creating a natural and even complexion. It shouldn't be too light or too dark. The perfect shade will match your skin tone and undertone. When choosing a foundation, consider your skin type. This is essential for achieving the best results. If you have oily skin, look for an oil-free or matte finish foundation. These formulas help control shine and keep your skin looking fresh. If you have dry skin, go for a hydrating or dewy finish foundation. These will add moisture and give your skin a healthy glow. To test a foundation shade, swatch it on your jawline. This area is the best spot to see how the color blends with your face and neck. This will give you the most accurate representation of how it will look on your face. Make sure to check it in natural light. Blend it out slightly to see how well it matches your neck. A seamless blend ensures a natural look. Remember, your foundation should enhance your natural beauty, not mask it. It should work with your skin, not against it. Take your time, experiment with different shades and formulas, and find the one that makes you feel confident and radiant. Don't be afraid to ask for samples or seek advice from beauty experts. Now that you've found your perfect foundation match, let's talk about application. You can use a brush, a sponge, or your fingers. Experiment to see what works best for you. If you're using a brush, start by applying a small amount of foundation to the center of your face and blending outwards. Use circular motions for a seamless finish. If you prefer using a sponge, dampen it slightly before applying foundation. This will help prevent the sponge from absorbing too much product and create a more natural finish. Remember, less is more when it comes to foundation. Start with a thin layer and build up coverage as needed. And don't forget to blend, blend, blend. We all have imperfections, and that's perfectly okay. Concealer is our best friend when it comes to covering up blemishes, dark circles, and any other discoloration. Choose a concealer that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation. This will help brighten up the under eye area and make you look more awake. Apply concealer sparingly to the areas you want to conceal. You can use a brush, a sponge, or your finger to blend it out. Remember, the key to using concealer is to blend, blend, blend. You want to create a seamless transition between your foundation and concealer so it looks natural and undetectable. Section 5. Setting your makeup for long-lasting wear. Setting your makeup is an essential step, especially if you want it to last all day long. Setting powder helps to absorb excess oil, minimize shine, and keep your makeup from smudging or creasing. Dip a large fluffy brush into your setting powder, tap off any excess, and lightly dust it all over your face. Focus on areas that tend to get oily, like your T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin. For extra staying power, you can use a setting spray after you've applied all of your makeup. This will help to lock everything in place and give your makeup a dewy finish. Section 6. Contouring and highlighting, enhancing your natural beauty. Contouring and highlighting are like magic tricks for your face. They can help to sculpt your features, add dimension, and create a more defined look. Contouring involves using a matte bronzer or powder that is a few shades darker than your skin tone to create shadows. Apply it to the hollows of your cheeks, along your hairline, and on the sides of your nose. Highlighting, on the other hand, uses a shimmery powder or cream that is a few shades lighter than your skin tone to bring light to certain areas. Apply it to the tops of your cheekbones, down the bridge of your nose, and on your cupid's bow. Remember to blend, blend, blend. You want to create a seamless transition between the contour, highlight, and your foundation. Section 7. Mastering eye makeup, from everyday to glamorous. Eyes are the window to the soul, and eye makeup can really enhance their beauty. The right techniques and products can transform your look from simple to stunning. From subtle everyday looks to dramatic smoky eyes, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're heading to work or a night out, mastering eye makeup can elevate your style. Start by applying an eyeshadow primer to your eyelids. This step is crucial as it ensures your eyeshadow stays in place all day. This will help to create a smooth base for your eyeshadow, prevent creasing, and make the colors pop. A good primer can make a significant difference in the longevity and vibrancy of your eye makeup. Next, choose your eyeshadow colors. The choice of colors can set the tone for your entire look. For a simple, everyday look, stick to neutral shades like browns, taupes, and creams. These shades are versatile and can complement any outfit or occasion. You can use a fluffy brush to apply a light shade all over your lid, creating a soft and natural base. A crease brush to add a medium shade to your crease, which adds depth and dimension to your eyes. And a blending brush to soften any harsh lines. Blending is key to achieving a seamless look. If you want to create a more dramatic look, you can add eyeliner and false lashes. These elements can take your makeup to the next level. Liquid eyeliner can be tricky to master, but practice makes perfect. Start with small controlled strokes. Start by drawing a thin line along your upper lash line, keeping it as close to the lashes as possible, and gradually thicken it as needed. You can create a winged effect for added drama. False lashes can instantly glam up any look, adding volume and length to your natural lashes. But be sure to choose a pair that complements your eye shape. There are many styles available, from natural to bold, so pick one that suits your desired look. Section 8. Defining your brows, framing your face. Eyebrows frame your face and can make a big difference in your overall appearance. If you have sparse eyebrows, you can use an eyebrow pencil or powder to fill them in and create a more defined shape. Choose an eyebrow pencil or powder that matches your natural brow color. Start by brushing your brows upwards with a spoolie brush. Then, use light, feathery strokes to fill in any sparse areas. Set your brows in place with a clear or tinted brow gel. This will help to tame any unruly hairs and keep your brows looking perfect all day long. Section 9. Adding a pop of color blush application tips. Blush can add a healthy flush of color to your cheeks and give you a more youthful appearance. Choose a blush shade that complements your skin tone. Smile slightly to find the apples of your cheeks. Then apply blush to the apples of your cheeks and blend it upwards towards your temples. Remember to tap off any excess blush from your brush before applying it to your face. You can always build up the color gradually until you achieve your desired look. Section 10. Lip color perfection, choosing the right shade and finish. Lipstick can instantly transform your look, whether you prefer a bold red or a natural nude. When choosing a lipstick shade, consider your skin tone, hair color, and personal style. If you're new to lipstick, start with a sheer or creamy formula. These are more forgiving than matte lipsticks and are less likely to emphasize any dryness on your lips. For a more precise application, use a lip liner to define your lips before applying lipstick. This will help to prevent feathering and bleeding, and it can also make your lipstick last longer. Section 11. Setting your look and extra tips for long-lasting results. Congratulations! You've made it to the final step. This is where all your hard work comes together to create a stunning look that will last all day. To set your makeup and ensure it lasts all day long, use a setting spray. This magical product locks everything in place and gives your makeup a fresh, dewy finish. Hold the bottle a few inches away from your face and mist it all over. Make sure to cover your entire face evenly for the best results. Here are a few extra tips for long-lasting makeup. These will help you maintain that flawless look from morning till night. First, use a makeup primer before applying your foundation. A good primer creates a smooth base and helps your makeup adhere better to your skin. This will help to create a smooth surface for your makeup and prevent it from sliding around. Layer your makeup products strategically. Start with the thinnest products, such as foundation and concealer, and build up to the thicker products, such as blush and bronzer. This layering technique ensures each product sets properly and stays in place. Avoid touching your face throughout the day. This is crucial for maintaining your makeup. Every time you touch your face, you're transferring oils and bacteria from your hands to your makeup. which can cause it to break down faster. Keep your hands away to keep your look intact. And there you have it! With these final steps, your makeup will not only look amazing, but also last through whatever your day throws at you. With these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to achieving a flawless makeup look that will turn heads. Confidence is key, and with a long-lasting look, you'll feel unstoppable. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. The more you practice, the more you'll discover what works best for you and your unique style.